this whole thing about South Sultan, we
Yeah.
die, he die of cancer.
Yeah.
South Sultan na person when I know.
Yeah.
You know they smoke, you know they drink, you know they do any of those things.
Yes.
And yet now they tell us say say make person no drink, make person no smoke, because of cancer, because of this, because of that. He know they do any of them, yet he still die of cancer.
This is the question where there's so many people mind. May his soul rest in peace. It touch so many of us. Now there are so many types of cancers where we need to understand. Now lymphoma particularly.
Yeah.
Lymphoma, from the name lymph, it means say cancer will come from your lymph nodes.
Okay.
We get lymph nodes for different parts of our body where they help us fight infection. Now them they produce lymphocytes.
Okay.
Lymphocytes are your white blood cells.
White blood cells.
So when person get lymphoma, it means they get problem with the white blood cells. Most times they don't defeat fight. Now your question now, how waiting happen? Good. So let me explain to you. First of all, number one, scientists never know the exact cause, but there are some other things related to it. One of them is infection with certain viruses.
Okay.
These viruses include HIV virus, include Epstein-Barr virus,
Okay.
human T cell virus. That one day. Another one again now, radiation. People where they exposed to radiation. This stuff they common for men too. Then another one again, say person we get them for in family also.
Okay.
Those are like risk factors. We they call them risk factors. Now if you list for these risk factors, smoking and the rest no day high on the list.
Okay.
There are other cancers where smoking and other things they cause make those ones common.
Okay.
No mean say because a person no smoking, no drink, no do anything, the person no fit get another form of cancer. There are some cancers that when you smoke and you drink, the chances of you coming down with that cancer is very high. But when you get another form of cancer, whether you smoke or you know, no mean say you are safe from these other forms of cancer.
Okay.
You understand the picture right now? So those things why I mentioned fit cause cell damage. When the damage is cell, any part where your lymph node dey where the cell damage, now their problem go start from. So if you damage your lymph node, we get problem for your axilla, your armpits.
Okay.
If you start from that side, if you start from the throat, you understand we get lymph nodes around that area too. If you give you problem there, if you start from the belly, yes, they belly too. So different areas of the body, and when you start for there, now their problem will come there. That is how it is. So no be saying.
So no be saying that because of smoke, weed, do any of those.
No be him.
Okay, but then my own now be say when I try to read up about this lymph and all of that,
yes,
then saying that people from 50 years and above the thing they catch. Sultan is 44.
If okay, let me explain further. You see that lymphoma where you read, I don't know if you see two types. There are two types of lymphoma. There's the Hodgkin's lymphoma and the non-Hodgkin's lymphoma.
Okay.
This specifically, I don't feel this is the time we could talk and see what you get, what you get. No, but from that lymphoma, it gets certain ones too where they come on younger too. From that 40.
Oh,
you understand?
Okay.
Yes, from 40. That also does not mean that people where they lower than 50 cannot have it too. Because they then tell you say this thing they start from 60 years does not mean in some cases it cannot be. It just means that the population of people will get that thing, it they more for that age group.
Oh,
no means say people where they lower also
no fee get them.
No. So if they tell you say BP they for elderly people, no means say young people no fee get BP. Now so it be for this area too right now, and now so we they see them too right now.
Okay, but then as young person, all the while when I they call them all through last 2 months, we they talk me with them, they talk regularly, and then in they talk saying they get better, in start chemotherapy and all of that. No way where them fit take in be enter coma, saying wake up again and all those stuff. No way where person they take, where person go take well finally from this particular kind of cancer.
Sincerely, this cancer they curable. It they curable. Just that we know people really tell you say everybody will get go survive them someday along the line. If you take them down, you understand.
Okay.
Yes, not that it's not curable. Some people have gone through this phase, gone through chemotherapy. They don't pass chemotherapy and they are fine, they are good. They will come out and tell you, not that everybody that has lymphoma dies, no. But in some cases, some other things feed the way if you can break the person down. Some people body cannot even handle chemotherapy. If anybody don't get person where you know we go through chemotherapy, Baba, it is traumatic for some people.
Even chemo.
the chemotherapy, is traumatic because it breaks you down. So some people are lucky. They go through chemotherapy and they come out of it. Why some people might not be lucky? Chemotherapy and the side effects of chemotherapy could make them lose their life. So for his case, we don't actually know. You get?
I don't really know because we no talk. Like, we no talk. Yes, the last time when we talk now, that Tuesday in Abi, when we talk now last week Tuesday Abi, upper Tuesday. Yes, now we talk last for phone when we talk proper because I call him from studio here. Okay, so now in don't go. Waiting the people with the hear us now.
Yeah.
Waiting them fit take do to take prevent cancer. Cancer they preventable?
Yes and no. I'll start with no. No, because if it dey set and say it go come for your body, no matter what you do, it go surely come.
Wow.
That's why I'm starting with no, because if you go come, highest be say you fit delay them, you fit detect them early. But some other things the way you fit take do, we go make her no even come at all. You get the point?
Yeah.
Yes, because some people they've done everything that you need to do we make you no get cancer, but yet they go still get cancer. Example, some people nobody for the family get cancer and they come down with cancer. Some people they don't smoke, they don't drink, they've never been exposed to radiation, they've never been exposed to any form of chemical. Yeah, they've come out. So, but
sorry, make I break you. When you say exposed to chemical in what way?
Chemicals
now?
like pesticides, herbicides, so all those things where they spray, where people they inhale, they toxin
and all those things.
All those things. Be very careful. That is why when those people manufacture those things, they go tell you say when you spray these things, stay away for a certain number of time, make it clear. But some of us we no go agree. Say forget, they do me anything. I go enter there. Those things too fit cause cell damage. You dey hear so? If it cause cell damage, so when we spray our chemicals, our insecticides, pesticides, allow the thing come off for that environment. You go talk say you no go do me anything. Now small thing they make cell start to malfunction. You go just start to malfunction anyway. So avoid those stuff. Avoid radiation. All those X-rays.
Yeah.
And some other rays like that. True, fit cause cell damage.
Sorry. Okay, I did hear you.
Then those viruses too. Our behaviors like HIV viruses and all those things make we avoid things like that. Then if you get person for your family we get cancer, it puts you at a higher risk. It means say make you take your body seriously.
That's because cancer is hereditary.
Yeah. There's a genetic component to it too.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a genetic component to it.
So if cancer don't dey person family, you need to check yourself regularly.
You check yourself. You fit get them, you fit not get them, but you are now at a higher risk. Say you fit come down with them. Past person we no even get them for your family.
Okay, but then doctor, the way this thing take day now, my friend don't waka now. He get his own for truth. He don't waka.
Yes.
Okay. If my friend get you own, he get you own for truth. You don't waka.
Yes.
What you go? I know you need to run off in 30 seconds. What you go tell people out there now? What you be word way if you tell the people out there now?
Okay.
Where they hear us.
Everybody right now, I beg you, if you never do checkup for yourself at all, this is the time to go see your doctor and do a general checkup. Just check, you know what's even going for your body. Because sometimes this thing go on, you not go know.
Sometimes.
Yes, you go go on. So the common one, painless swelling. You dey get painless swelling, unexplained weight loss, unexplained fever, you dey feel weak like that. This is not the time to go dey buy blood medicine take. Go and see a doctor and get yourself checked.
Go and see a doctor and get yourself checked. Thank you so much, doctor, for your time.